Have you guys ever had that feeling na iniisip niyo pa lang na mag-travel going to a particular place or kino-consider niyo itong purchase na 'to, tapos pagpunta ninyo sa social media or pagpasok niyo ng Google, yung ads na ipapakita sa inyo is actually all about yung game plan that you have in mind. I might have an answer for you. Parang nakikinig yung mga platforms. Kung ano yung madalas na view ninyo na topic, yun yung mas madalas na nanalabas sa feed ninyo. Today, allow me to show you first this website that I am talking about. Did you guys know that if you go to adsettings.google.com, it's actually a website provided by Google na binibigyan kayo ng access to customize and manage yung ad preferences ninyo. It gives you full control over the ads na makikita ninyo sa lahat ng platforms na handled by Google, kagaya ng Google Search, YouTube, and other websites that are part of Google's advertising network. If you go to adsettings.google.com, you can view and edit your ad settings, including the type of ads that you prefer to see sa social media account or perhaps Facebook, ganyan. A lot of times, akala natin wala tayong control over the ads when as a matter of fact, it is all based on what we click, what we engage in, what we react to sa lahat ng social media accounts at platforms na kagaya ng Google. Sa totoo lang, kung hindi ako marunong ng ads or media buying or PPC, hindi ko marirealize itong mga bagay na to. And just like everyone else na regular user lang ng social media accounts, isipin ko, normal yan, typical yan. But because I have basic knowledge on how to run ads, alam ko for a fact na halimbawa, kagaya nung ginawa ni Great nung naghahanap siya ng apartment sa Cebu, sa Mapolo area. Ang ginawa niya is, nag-click ng ads ng apartments for rent sa Mabolo area. And so, lahat talaga ng ads lumalabas sa harapan niya. Eventually, she found her place. If you guys want to learn itong mga tricks na ganito, ng behind the scene na kung paano mag-run ng ads, you might wanna check out yung class namin for PPC. PPC stands for pay-per-click. It's actually an online advertising model or media buying model which advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked by a user. It's commonly associated with search engine advertising where advertisers bid on keywords relevant to their target audience. Now, the way that PPC works is, number one, advertisers create ads. And then meron ding tinatawag na ad auction. May tinatawag na keyword targeting. Merong cost per click or CPC bidding. May ad placement and display. And meron ding paying for clicks. Now, all of these will be covered sa aming PPC class. So, if you guys wanna join, punta lang kayo sa profile ko, tapos i-click nyo yung link dyan. Kung nasa Instagram naman kayo, i-click nyo lang to. Kung nasa Facebook ko naman kayo, i-check nyo na lang yung caption. Ililink namin dyan yung buong enrollment form. Ganon din pag nasa YouTube ko kayo, i-check nyo na lang yung description box. At pagka-click nyo ng link, mararating nyo na tong landing page natin. So, punta lang kayo dito sa PPCVA, 999 pesos na. Usual guys, comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!